English Easy Practice. Do you want to learn English vocabulary faster? Want to have better listening comprehension and pronunciation? And boost your speaking skills quickly? Then, welcome to our new video to improve your English skills. Watch this video till to the end to improve your English fast. In this video, we'll dive into a fun and interactive learning experience designed to improve your English speaking skills. You can become a member to get early access to our new videos, exclusive content, and more advantages. Click the join button below and let's learn together. Now we will have a 4-part exercise. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. Now, are you ready to train your brain to speak English fluently? Let's get started.
Part 1, English Listening Practice. In the first part, you'll listen to a conversation between native English speakers. Try to focus on the meaning of the conversation when you listen to it. This will help you understand real-life conversations better.
Hit me up. Hey, Liam. I have 2 tickets to the concert on Friday. Are you free to come?
Oh, nice. I'd love to go. What time does it start?
It starts at 7 p.m. I can pick you up around 6 if that works.
Perfect. Just hit me up if anything changes.
Will do. It's going to be so much fun. I've heard this band is amazing live.
Can't wait. Thanks for inviting me, Emma.
Of course. It's always more fun to go with a friend.
Agreed. See you Friday. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to receive more like it in the future. Part 2, Learn Vocabulary. Now, let's explore some new words together in our vocabulary section. I'll explain a few words and use them in example sentences to help you grasp their meaning easily.
Vocabulary.
I'd love to. This means I would really like to, or I would enjoy doing that. Example. A. Do you want to come to my party on Saturday? B. I'd love to. Thanks for inviting me. Pick someone up. This means to go and get someone in your car and take them somewhere. Example. My friend is going to pick me up at 5 so we can go to the game together.